Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new address on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you want to have something delivered to a family member or friend. How do you actually go ahead and add their address on Temu? Now to simply put, what you want to first do is log onto your Temu account, and then on the upper hand corner where it says orders and accounts, you want to highlight this and then click on addresses. Now right now I'm covering my address, but the way to actually do this next is that you want to click on add a new address, which is this button right over here. And then once you've done so, you just need to simply fill the on-screen prompts. So you're going to enter your first name, last name, address search, and phone number, and then click on save. Once you've done so, you'll be able to toggle between different addresses as far as where you want these Temu items to be delivered when you actually order them. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new address to Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.